Today we are going to be making the Mughlai dish of Mutton Kofta, which is the perfect meal for a gathering of friends or family. We'll begin by marinating the minced mutton with salt, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala. Mix all these ingredients well before you add in the breadcrumbs. And follow the breadcrumbs with a beaten egg to give the kofta some hold. If required, add more breadcrumbs and beaten egg till you reach a moldable consistency. Now while the minced mutton marinates for about 30 minutes, we'll get on to our gravy. For the gravy, we're going to need 2 medium-sized onions and 2 medium-sized tomatoes, both coarsely chopped. Add oil to the pan. Begin with frying the onions till they caramelize, then add in the tomatoes. Lastly, top it up with some crisp fried onions before blending the three together. Shaping the koftas is easy. Grease your palms with a little oil and shape the mince into balls. And now, to bring it all together, add oil to the pan followed by whole red chilies, followed by coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, black peppercorns, cinnamon, and clove. Add in the blended tomato and onion paste and mix well. Now add a cup of beaten yogurt and mix well. Pour in some water to attain the right consistency. Once the gravy starts bubbling, drop in the koftas one by one and let it simmer in the pan for 8 to 10 minutes. Your mutton koftas are now ready to be served and relished. Now before you get cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned to Spice Fry for more tasty recipes.